When you're creating an event, there are many different things you need to take into consideration, which can make for a long and time-consuming process, especially if catering is required. But it doesn't have to be so complicated. OnTime simplifies this by making it into one simple process with OnTime Catering. With OnTime Catering, the whole process can be done with just 4 steps. Firstly, you can add catering when you're creating a meeting depending on which canteen you want to use and their menu card. The second step is in the hands of the canteen, who has to review your order and choose whether or not they're able to deliver your requested order. This way you can make sure you get what you wanted and there won't be any surprises in what is actually delivered. Thirdly, if the order has been accepted, is serving the food. With OnTime, all the meeting details are always updated, so if the room or date changes, the canteen will be informed about it and the delivery changed accordingly. This way you make sure that the food is always delivered to the right room at the right time. The last step is the catering invoice. With OnTime Catering, the bills are automatically kept updated and sent to accounting when the meeting has passed, leaving you hassle-free. Just like that, the time-consuming and difficult problem disappears, all thanks to OnTime Catering making all the pieces fit together.